matrices. Ultimea Aura A60 Pro Soundbar. Main features are Ultimea A60 Pro is a high-performance 7.1-channel soundbar system. It is an upgraded version of the standard Aura A60, designed to provide a more refined Dolby Atmos experience with improved wireless connectivity and specialized acoustic tuning. Audio channels: true 7.1-channel surround sound with 8 total drivers, 3 in the main bar, 4 satellite surround speakers, and 1 subwoofer. Total power: 350-watt peak output for high-impact home theater sound. Subwoofer includes a 4-inch wired subwoofer featuring bass MX technology for deep, resonant low frequencies down to 65 Hz. Connectivity: HDMI eARC supports lossless Dolby Atmos transmission with high bandwidth, 37 megabits per second. Wireless: upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 for stable, low-latency streaming from mobile devices. Wired, optical, aux, and USB inputs for legacy devices. Surround X technology uses advanced audio algorithms to optimize the sound field based on main channel signals, creating a wider and more expansive 3D soundstage. Flexible setup features wireless rear pairing, where the rear speakers connect wirelessly to the main soundbar to reduce cable clutter across the room. Ultima Smart App allows for deep customization with a 10-band EQ and 121 preset EQ matrices tailored for genres like rock, pop, and classical. Sound modes include 6 dedicated presets: movie, music, voice, sport, game, and night. Aura A60 Pro is positioned as a premium value alternative to high-end systems from major brands.